So today I'm going to show you guys how to make an awesome outro. And what we're actually going to be doing is embedding two of your recent videos or a playlist in the outro as well, using YouTube editor as well. So the first thing we're going to need to do is go in my description and download the template that I've done for you guys, outro template. And you'll get something like this. Now, the reason why I don't have any borders around here is because in the YouTube editor, it takes ages to line up the video exactly in the box. And even if you do, you still get a little bit of white border on one side and not the other. And it looks a bit tacky. So the way around it is to just have previous and random, or whatever you want to call it, and have a thank you for watching. The video is nice in the template. If you don't want this up here, you can simply just get the brush tool and edit that out if you wish. Just like this. Get the black and edit that out if you want to. It's up to you. And then obviously if you want to replace the text, just get the text and go over here so you know exactly where the text is supposed to be. And then another thing you can do is add a bit of social media, which is what I like to do. So just type in @Mikey'sGames. This is my Twitter, Facebook, pretty much all my social media. Make this pretty big and just like this. And then what you can do is add your Facebook logo and Twitter. Just drag that over there. And let's make this real small. There we go. So you got your Facebook there, then you can go and get your Instagram, or if you guys have a website or something, anything that you wanna promote on your outro. An outro is so important to have an outro and an intro. And if you're not using it, I'd start using it now. So you've got the idea, guys, and that's all you want to basically be doing in Photoshop. So we're going to save this as AAA for the minute, and we're going to save it as a PNG and press OK. So now you've done that. Now another thing, when you come to edit your outro, your video has to be at least 25 seconds long in order to put the outro into YouTube beta. So I've just got a video here of my intro copied 3 times, and so we're just going to import media. So whatever media software, editing software you're using, it's pretty much going to be the same concept what we're doing here. So I'm just going to open up the template we've just made here, and here's our outro. And then you obviously put it at the end of the video. So here's here. So I'm just going to make this full screen and center it real quick. And then that's it. And then you can add transitions, you can add music to it and everything else. So we can just add a bit of music. So we can add this music here. And then what we do, we just make this smaller so it's in the intro, and make this big so we can see what we're doing. So we've got some music going on here for the outro. And then what we can do also is go to audio effects, and we can do a fade in as well to the music. So I'm gonna get rid of that real quick. Hold on, do a fade in so that it fades in. So if we start playing this now, yeah, and there's the music, it starts playing, boom, just like that, guys. And that's pretty much it. Obviously you can add a animation in the background, or have a wallpaper and everything else, but this is pretty much the basics. So we're going to make this a little bit longer. We're going to do a fade out of the music as well. So it's fading in and basically fading out. and the music's fading out. And that's pretty much it. And there's my intro. So once you've uploaded the video to YouTube, you just wanna, there's the video there. So all you want to do now is go to your YouTube settings and then view additional features. You can use the Studio Beta to do this also, but I can't get on with it, so it's just best to do it this way. It's a lot easier and a lot buggier as well. And just go to Video Manager, go to Videos, and go to the video, and you want to click this little arrow down, and end screen animations is what you want. And then you got this, and then you want to obviously fast forward to where it is you want the thing to pop up. So it's about, because I've got a fade in, so maybe it's not a good idea to do the fade in. So I'd say it's about here. I'd say about there is pretty spot on. So we only can work in this little highlighted box. So all you need to do is add a subscribe button first, which is here, and you can see it here. And what I like to do is I'll pop this down anywhere around here. I normally like to, personally, I like to put it down right in the corner. And then you want to add an element and create. And then you can do most recent upload, choose a video or playlist. So I'm going to do recent upload, create an element, and I'm also going to add another one, which is going to be my playlist, which will be this one here, and create element. And there we go. So it gives us two, and then we can move it under here, and then move this one under here, just like that. And this one won't show because it's most recent upload. But that's pretty much it, guys, and all you have to do is save it. And you can also do a preview, and there it is. And then you can actually click and it'll take you to my recent video. And that's it. And then if you hover over this, they can subscribe. And that's it, guys.